guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks so much for coming back for another video. Today I have a haul for you guys and it's going to be a mixture of fall decor and just regular random home stuff, so I hope you guys like it. I really don't have much else to say because it's a haul and I'm going to be talking throughout the whole video, so let's get started. The kids are not here at this time. They are at the playground with their dad, so it's going to be very quiet and echoey, which is strange to me. Probably strange for you guys too that watch my haul. So we're going to start with Target, and I got a bunch of cute stuff at Target. I got mostly fall related stuff, and I did go to Target a few days ago or like a week ago and picked up some fall stuff that I shared on my Instagram story, but I'm gonna do like a whole reveal and probably a cleaning video where I place the decor that I bought from Target and wherever else that I bought it from. So yeah, I said I wasn't gonna talk too much, so let's get started. I picked up some new sheet sets for the girls' beds. I think they have 3, so this will be their 4th one. I do like to change the sheets often, like once a week at least, so having a couple of them on hand is useful. And I picked up 2 of these, one for Ruby, one for Sultan. I like to have them matching or somewhat matching. I also picked up some of these pumpkins at the Target dollar spot. I like the little gold stem they have on top. That's so cute, and these are like flat. The ones from last year, if you guys remember, were the really tiny like miniature ones to this, and they weren't flat. I like these ones. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this stuff yet, but they'll come in handy because it's fall and Halloween is coming too. And I also got this like cushiony one, soft one. It has like a little rose gold looking stem. I really like that. I picked up this one too. So this is what it looks like. It's like a little jar. I have one of these. I have an orange one on my counter that's similar to this. I also picked this. I love this seafoam color. I like teal and aqua and just like everything in between mint and seafoam. These are so cute. I'm gonna be using this one probably year round, but this one's definitely just for the holidays. Love these two. What I really went to the dollar spot at Target was for these plaques and signs. This one has like little fall sayings on it. This one is like a washed wood and then orange on the outsides. And then lastly for signs, I got this one that says Home Sweet Home, and I was gonna pick up some navy colored pumpkins, but that doesn't really match with my decor, but if I can incorporate it somehow, I'll definitely go back and get some of the navy pumpkins. I got 2 of these, what do you call this, you guys? I forgot. It's escaping me. I know what this is called. I always forget something in my hauls, but what is this called, you guys? Let me know in the comments. I picked up 2 of them, a gold one. This scent is Pumpkin Vanilla. I won't be lighting these. I'll probably just light them for a little bit because one of my friends told me that it's bad luck if you hold on to candles and not light them. So from now on, I always light my candles at least for a couple of seconds, and then I really don't use candles anymore. I bought them more for the color so I can decorate with them. You guys know I love a good shelf because this is how I choose to decorate my apartment. It keeps it out of reach of the kids, especially my son. So any wall decor that's a shelf as well that I can just put little trinkets in, I love. I believe it was on sale. And this one has some hooks down here that you can hang. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet, but I'm so excited about this. It's like a blank canvas that I get to just do whatever I want to it and change it up as much as I want. If you guys live in an apartment, especially with small kids, consider using wall shelves if you want to decorate. It keeps it out of reach from the kids and all that good stuff. Emily, thank you so much, girl, for sharing these on your channel. I went out and grabbed these. I did not forget about them at all. Once I saw her haul these on her, was it a haul? I'm not sure if it was a haul or a vlog. I think they separated that one. But anyway, she's the one that put me onto these, and I went to Target and got them, of course. These are so cute, you guys. Oh, it's heavy. I'm like shaking. Let me open them up for you guys so you can see what it looks like. Definitely editing out all this struggle. This is what they look like. You guys, this is so cute. I love this, and they were on sale. I think they were originally like 40 something and I got them for around 30 something dollars, but I'm gonna check my receipt and let you guys know exactly. This is another thing that I am extremely excited about. I know you guys don't like when YouTubers constantly say obsessed, but I'm just excited and genuinely happy about these things, so that's why I'm saying it like that. But anyway, I got a new mop. It was definitely time. I love the color of my old one. I don't like the color of this one at all, but I'm just gonna have to get over it because this has really, really good reviews. That's the reason why I picked it up. I shared kind of like a little clip of what I was buying when I was out, and the first thing you guys noticed was this cedar mop, and a lot of you guys got back to me and said it's the best mop, and you guys could not imagine how happy I am right now and ready to clean. That is so lame. Oh my gosh. I promise you guys, I'm not cool. So this is the last thing that I got from Target. It was this quick mop. The first one that I bought broke immediately and I never went back to exchange, but I did this time and I picked up a new one. I like this just for quick messes. This is more like a daily mop that I would use probably just in the kitchen and the foyer area, not in the bathrooms. I like to use my deep cleaning mop for that. Now it's going to be the cedar mop. So pick this up, and I like this because you can put your own solution in the bottle. This is the Rubbermaid one, and you guys were the ones that suggested this to me a long time ago when I asked, and they replaced it for me at Target with no problem. That's why I love Target. That was it for Target. Now moving on, what I got from Burlington. I'm so happy that I decided to go to Burlington to look for fall decor because they have extremely low prices for really pretty arrangements, like these little pumpkins with the sunflowers and a pine cone in there. And I got the orange, like orangey color. These are so cute for fall. These are going to replace the greenery on top of my cabinets in the kitchen, and those plants will probably go into the girls' room because I'm redecorating in there too. I also picked up this little sign. It says Happy Fall. It's a little standing sign. It's wooden, and I like this. It's so cute. It goes with the rest of the theme. And what I'm really trying to focus on, my kitchen is already pretty much decorated for fall, which you guys have not seen yet. I changed around that. I moved a lot of stuff around. I got a new rug, so I'm excited about that. So to go with the girls' new sheet sets, I also picked them up some new blankets. These are throw blankets, but for some reason my kids, my girls especially, like to sleep with this type of material or texture of a blanket. So I picked these two up matching, of course. They were super inexpensive. Got these from Burlington, like I said, too. All of my throw blankets that I've bought so far have turned into blankets for my girls to sleep on. So I just said, you know what? No point in buying you guys a duvet or a comforter or anything like that because they really only want to sleep with these. So these are for the girls. Two more things. Oh my gosh, this haul went by really, really quick. I think, like you guys said, I don't spend too much time talking about a product, and that's because I'm not selling it to you guys. I'm literally just showing you what I bought, and none of my videos are sponsored except for one that I did last year. So yeah, I'm not pushing anything on anyone. So just wanted to make that disclaimer and put that out there. Your girl is not pushing anything on anyone. And the next thing that I got, like I mentioned to you guys in my vlog, I wanted some proper hooks for the storage room to hang the girls' book bags and lunch boxes, and 3 really isn't enough. I was looking for 6. I might find one that has 6 and then pick that one up and put this one somewhere else. Hooks are just generally a good thing to have around, especially with kids. I could hang anything on. The last thing I got was this big puffy like ottoman type of thing, I guess you would call it, or is it just a poof? It's like a ball beanbag thing that you can sit on. It's textured. I like this so much. This is going in the living room. It matches so well with the new couch. Not the new couch. It matches so well with the new rug and the throw pillows on there. So I'm excited about this. The kids have been sitting on it and playing with it like crazy. I love it. Like, look at how cute this is. You can sit on it. Kids love this. They're always all over it. Yeah, you guys, that's it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll make more videos like this. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.